What's going on, guys? Miha here, and in today's video let's check out the 5 best places where you can sell your digital products. Now, if you're a graphic designer, animation artist, illustrator, or any kind of creative professional and you have some digital products, maybe templates, illustrations, logo presets, or any kind of stuff that you want to sell online, I've been getting a lot of questions about where to sell them. So let's check out the 5 best places that you can use to sell your digital products. Also, the first one, and the one that most people are probably already familiar with, is Envato Market. On Envato Market, there are a lot of digital products being sold, like themes for templates for WordPress, HTML and stuff like that, for code, for video, for graphics, for example. And it's a good marketplace where you can sell your products. You basically just create your profile, you sign in, you sign up as a seller, you upload all of your stuff, you upload all of your files. Now, there are some guidelines that you have to keep in mind when uploading your digital products, and you can read all about them once you start uploading them. And each of your products, of course, has to get reviewed, has to get quality checked. But once you pass all of that, your product gets listed on Envato, and you can start earning passive income once people start buying your digital products. For example, that can be WordPress templates or graphic templates like logo design and all that kind of stuff. So the Envato Market is the most obvious one. I think it also has the most users and the most downloads. So it makes sense to try selling your digital products here. But you don't have to sell your products just on Envato. There are a lot of other different options. So the Envato is the first one that we've covered. Now let's go to Creative Market. Creative Market is similar to Envato, and if you join it, you can see that there's also a lot of stuff that you can sell here. So the Creative Market is basically also a marketplace where you can sell your templates or any kind of stuff. For example, if we look at graphics and see at the icon products, you can see that there are icon packs here. So if you've created any kind of icons in the past and you have them laying around, you can maybe create like icon pack and sell it here. For example, if we check out, this one is for Pinterest. If we click on the line icon pack, you can see that basically it has a lot of likes, and actually you can see that I can sell over here. So if you just check out this image, you can see that this is a really big pack. Like there's 4,800 line icons in here, but it doesn't have to be this big. So if you know how to create icons and you have maybe some kind of icon pack that you can create, then you can upload it to Creative Market and start selling it. Also, the Creative Market isn't just for icons, it's basically for all kinds of graphics, maybe for illustrations, if you click on it, or for web elements. So if you've got some illustrations that you probably have laying around, or you want to create some new ones and try selling them online, you can do this on the Creative Market. So Creative Market is really nice. It's similar to Envato, has a bit of a different graphic interface, but it's very similar, and a lot of products are getting sold on here, so you can always try this. The next one that I really like, for example, is Freepik. Now, Freepik used to be a website where you can download all of these graphic resources for free. So if, for example, I just dump in something that I want to search, for example, like a vector, or no, let's say display or an iMac mockup, because I've used a lot of iMac mockups in the past, so this is a good place to get them. And you can see that they have a lot of free products over here, but their really nice feature is the Freepik Premium. And if you sign up for the premium, you can basically start selling your resources here. You can upload them, you can upload your presets, and people can just download them. So you have to sign in. So if you want to do this, you have to become a contributor. You basically click here, you can join the graphic content revolution and blah blah blah, and earn money with your creations. So you can just create an account, sign in, start upload, get your products reviewed, and they can start selling on Freepik. So Freepik is really good because their business model was really nice, because they started because they started as a free marketplace, and they got a really like a large number of users that are checking out their website. And if you start selling your products on Freepik Premium, I think that it's a good way to earn some passive income, because they are really getting a lot of signups. The next one, for example, okay, this is the Freepik contributor. The next one, for example, is Dreamstime. On Dreamstime, you can see that there's like a lot of illustrations being sold, some videos. Let's just wait for this to load up. Some different videos for different purposes, and audio. So you can also sell your audio files here, like on Audio Jungle or stuff like that. You can sign up for free, but this will just take you to the downloads page, so you can sign up as a client. But you also have the option, if you want to start selling here, you can click on community and sell your images. And in here you have some requirements that need to be met if you want to upload your stuff here. But you can click on upload files and start selling your stuff on Dreamstime to make some passive income. Now, Dreamstime, Freepik, Creative Market, and the Envaro Market are all marketplaces that already have users that you can basically upload your stuff, upload your files there, and maybe do some marketing. And they already have the interface in place. So once you upload, once your files get confirmed and approved, you basically can start earning. Now, the fifth option here, these are just 4 options. I said that I will cover 5. So the fifth option is you can set up your own store and start selling your products by yourself. Now you can do this with Shopify. Shopify is really easy to set up. So if you don't know any coding, or you don't know how to set up a WordPress store or stuff like that, Shopify makes that really easy, and you can also use it to sell digital products. Not a lot of people know that, because Shopify is known for drop shipping and all those kind of businesses focused around physical products, but if you click on online store and check out the features, you can see that Shopify also offers options for digital products. So you can see that Shopify has the integrated option. If you set up a store on Shopify, you can upload your files and people can download them as digital products. So this really makes setting up your own digital store much easier than if you would do it with like WooCommerce or any kind of plugins for WordPress, or like Magento, or any kind of stuff that requires a lot of technical skill. So Shopify is really like an easy way to set up your own online store. Now, the difference between Shopify and all of those, between Shopify, Dreamstime, Freepik, and the Envaro and Creative Market, is basically that with Shopify you don't have marketing. All of those other websites list your product, and they already have a big customer base that your products can get sold to. But on Shopify, if you set up your own store, you have to take care of marketing by yourself. So you have to bring traffic and bring people and the relevant audience that needs your products to your store. So that is a different topic for a different video that I will cover in the future. But for now, let's just keep an option in mind that you can also create your own store and start selling digital products without going to any of these portals and paying for commissions. Like, that's a big difference, because on all of these sites you pay commissions to the seller, and you don't get the full amount of the price that your products get sold for. So on Shopify you have complete control over that. Now, you don't have to use Shopify. I just mentioned it here because it's really easy, and I think a lot of people can use it and set up their stores even if they're not technically savvy. But if you have some technical knowledge, you can try creating your own web store with WordPress and WooCommerce, like I did for CG Fountain. But Shopify is also really nice, and if you start a free trial, you can just upload your products and see if you can sell them without actually paying for the Shopify, monthly premium. You can always do that once your store like gets some traction, stuff like that, and your products start selling, but you can start it for free and see how it goes. So these are my top 5 places to sell your digital products online: the Envato Market, the Creative Market, FreePick, and Dreamstime. And of course Shopify, which is not exactly the same as these ones, but basically I prefer setting up my own store because it basically I don't have to pay for commissions, and I also like having control of what's listed on my store and how my products look, how they are presented, and I like to control the layout and maybe see what layout sells best and not, and you have all of those options if you use Shopify or start or decide to create your own store. So these are my top 5 places for selling digital products online. So if you know any other good marketplaces for selling digital products, I would be very happy to hear your recommendations. Feel free to leave them in the comments below, or if you have any questions regarding selling digital products, just let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. And I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel or click that notification bell. I think it's around here. And that's it, guys. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.